Hi, Kinesiology 1018. Today I'm going to take you through your physical activity course reflection paper. So I'm just going to kind of go through the directions with you, make sure everything's clear. So this is a 1 to 2 page paper. So that means no more than 2 pages, no less than 1. So if it's less than 1 page, automatic 0. More than 2 pages, I'm not going to read past the second page. So anything written on those pages will not be read. Okay, the reflection is based on your current physical activity course. So whatever course you're taking, I know they're online, but this is talking about what you learned and how you can apply the concepts we talked about in class in 1018 and talk about how you learned and utilized those concepts within your physical activity class. So we're going to make some kind of specific examples, and you're going to link your class with this class. First of all, we need to make sure that the formatting is correct. You will lose points if your formatting is incorrect. So your paper should have a font size of 12. The font style should be Arial. The spacing should be double space, and there should be no added spaces after paragraphs. So if you need to know how to do that, you can simply right-click paragraph, and then click the box, don't add spaces between paragraphs of the same style. If you click that box and say okay, it will shrink that back up. You saw that that just moved. Okay, so this added an extra space. If I hit paragraph, don't add spaces, boom, that moves back together. All right, so that's what I want to see for your formatting. And then your title should be on the very first line of your paper. So none of those like 5-line headings with your name, my name. I don't need all that. You're submitting it through Canvas. It doesn't really matter. Your title should say Physical Activity Course Reflection, the semester, whichever semester we are in. So think about what time of year this is, the year that you're writing this, your first name, your last name. That should be your title. That is it. That should be on the first line, and then on your second line, you start writing. If you use any alternative titles, you're going to lose points. Okay, so just follow these formatting instructions, and it's pretty much a guaranteed 5 points out of that 25. When it comes to how we're writing, or how I'm going to grade your writing, the rubric right here, first it goes into writing mechanics. So as long as your sentences are clear, formatted logically, have no errors in grammar, spelling, punctuation, that such, you'll get all of those points. The more errors I see, the lower your score on your writing mechanics. Okay, I'll skip down to formatting real quick because we just talked about it. If you follow all the instructions, you'll get all the points. If you don't follow the instructions, you lose points. Okay, so on and so forth. So don't just lose points for not paying attention to directions. Make sure your formatting is good. Right, and then the bulk of your paper is based on 3 principles. So it says up here in the directions, use 3 concepts that you learned from class. So principle 1, principle 2, principle 3. So this could be, these could be any of the principles of physical fitness that we talked about. So this includes cardiorespiratory endurance, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, body composition, and skill and neuromuscular fitness. So those 6 are your choices. You choose 3, identify that principle of fitness, so talk about what it is, and apply that principle to your class. So how did you use that component of fitness within your class? Use examples. Okay, the more clear your examples and the correctly you identify that physical fitness component, you'll get all of those points. The more errors you create, the more points you lose. Okay, so make sure that you identify what it is, define it. What is it? Tell me what it is. I want to make sure that you know, and give an example of how it's used. If you can do all of that, you'll get all of the points. You get all the points, boom, everyone's happy. You get a great grade. So if you have any other questions, please email me, let me know, but follow these directions, apply it to your class, use examples, and you'll earn a great grade. All right, thank you very much, and I'll see you in our next video.